Most of marketing isn't strategy, it's repetition. The same work every single week. And winning AI search only means more of it, done faster than your competitors. That's the work Pepper workflows take off your plate. So what's a workflow? It's a piece of content or SEO work set up once and you run whenever you need it. You build it a single time, it does the job the same way every time after. And that is where they live, the workflows page. Every workflow your team has in one place. We ship a few to show you what they can do, but the real power is everything you build after that. Because you build them just by talking. Describe the job and the copilot builds the whole workflow for you. Ask for a change, it adjusts. Want to shape it yourself? Drag and drop the steps in the workflow builder, idea to working workflow in minutes. Then test as you go, see exactly what every step returns, and publish when it's right. From then on, your whole team can run it. So the repetitive half of marketing, the work that quietly eats your team's week, is set up once and running on its own. Pepper used to tell you what to do, now it does the work with you. The work doesn't pause while you decide. Talk to our team, put workflows to work this week.